1 gallon equals 120 feet squared. How many gallons should you buy to cover? All right, so I would round this to, okay, this is one that could have multiple answers. I'm gonna round this to 100 feet squared, and then I'll round this one down as well. And so what we have is 400 feet squared then divided by 100 feet squared. And so we get 4 gallons. So check to make sure you didn't get too little or get less than you need.
Professor, I have a question.
Yeah.
Since it's 4 gallons, would you have like, let's say on a test, would you have accepted 3.5, or would it have to have been like a whole number?
I guess it's question. I probably wouldn't, but usually it might state it has to be in whole numbers. But think about a gallon of paint. You can't really buy a half of a gallon, but you can buy pints and things like that.
Okay.
But yeah, this is an area where I would consider it. I could give you partial credit for something like that. Focus more on the math too, instead of the credit that you would receive. And that's really where I want our focus to be in general. If you understand how to estimate, you know,
Okay.
So I'm not even that picky with significant digits, but my math lab will tell you you're getting something wrong if you don't put in the correct number of significant digits or if you're not rounding it properly. But that's also a useful skill. That's why I love my math lab. It's really forced students to focus on some of the like finer details. Okay, so let's try this. So let's do 4 times 120, and now we can, when we're checking, we can use a calculator. Throw that one away. And so that's going to be 480 feet squared. And so yes, that will cover 445. And so things like paint, just remember, you don't want to undercut it. You don't want to buy less, because then, or something like maybe plant seed, things like that.